KV Fire Chemicals, we believe in science that serves, in a science that protects. We believe in real insights and in solutions that offer real results. We help empower you for times when there might be no second chance. Since inception in 1988 by Shri H.M. Sabhadra, our factory may have moved from Navi Mumbai to Nashik. Our scale of production may have increased tenfold, but our focused commitment to quality that needs no promotion persists. Through the spearheaded efforts of our Executive Director, Rajesh Sabhadra, and his qualified team of professionals to take the vision of our founder ahead.
We as company take pride in manufacture and supply of best quality fire extinguishing chemical, equipments and extinguisher. Our vision is fire safe world. We constantly strive to upgrade our products using latest technology and expertise based on our rich experience of 4 decades. Our company's preferred choice of professionals in fire protection field, and they rely on us for all their needs in managing fire risk.
We would like to thank all our customers for the trust and confidence they repose in us. We also put on record the sincere efforts of our employees working as a family with a wide range, quality products, international approvals, aggressive outlook. We look forward to be the leading player in the world.
The only effect the passage of time has had on us is the increase in our expertise. With a larger plant with state-of-the-art technology that none of our other Indian counterparts can boast of. Being a progressive company, KV Fire Chemicals has constantly adopted fast-changing technology to meet the high expectations of its clients. With a market share of 40% and being leaders in the field to serve our customers better, we have now diversified our product range. Apart from our expertise in foam concentrates, dry powders, and now with foam equipments and fire extinguishers, we have the ability to serve our customers for their specific needs and risks. Our 4-decade-long career map is testimony to making best quality available at best prices. A trait that is well appreciated the world over, irrespective of geography and sector. That is exactly why KV Fire Chemicals is the preferred choice not only in India, but in 32 countries, including England, the Middle East, Korea, Japan, and many more, known by a few simple words: innovation, reliability, performance. Not only have we won the trust of prestigious organizations such as ONGC, SAIL, Reliance, to name a few, we are the first and only manufacturer in the world for UL listing of our specialty powder KV Light Power-X to UL 299C for high-risk oil and gas fires. An ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and now OSHA's 18001 certified company. Our services span over oil and gas fields, fertilizers, chemical companies, power plants, shipping corporations, ports, the Army, Navy, and Air Force. And if there is one thing our customers have in common, it is the faith they rest in us. We will persist on our journey to fulfill our vision of a fire-safe world through diversifying and expanding further, maintaining respect and care for the environment.